Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change profile picture on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Etsy if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have categories where you can see all of the categories, and we have the search box where you can go and check out for any single items that you would like to search for. In the top right corner, we have everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your profile picture on Etsy. So it is super simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, click on the top right corner and click on your account, and then click on view your profile. When you click there, of course, you will have, you can click edit public profile, click there. And here guys, you'll need to go and put in you need to go and register first of all, and put in your own information. So to be able to go to Etsy, and of course, then to, of course, go and explore and change your profile picture. So when you put in all the information, you can go there and check it out. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.